How to make Instagram Reels. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can make Instagram Reels. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. First step, locate your Instagram app and then open it up. After you're on your Instagram app, what you need to do is you will need to tap on the top right corner, top left plus icon. From here, select the Reels option. Swipe till you find Reels. And after you here, select a video that you already have, or you can simply record it directly from here. So after you find what you want, you can then start making edits. You can tap on the edit button to make edits from here. You can cut these clips. You can change the volume, speed. You can crop the image there and everything. You can also add texts, and there are many more options such as adding stickers and so on and on the edit section. Make your edits and then tap on the top right corner. Then tap on the share option at the bottom right. Then you have shared your reel, and it's that simple. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.